Hey there, future SEO whizzes! Ever wonder how to push your website to the top of Google searches? Today I'm going to unravel the secrets to skyrocket your SEO and get your site the attention it deserves. So grab a notebook because these tips are golden. First off, let's dive into the world of keywords. Keywords are like the secret sauce to boosting your SEO, but it's not just about stuffing your page with random words. It's about finding the right words that your audience is searching for. Think about what potential visitors might type into Google to find a page like yours. Once you've got a list, sprinkle these keywords throughout your content, your titles, headers, and even meta descriptions. Now on to something that often gets overlooked: backlinks. Backlinks are essentially votes of confidence from other sites. The more reputable sites that link back to you, the more Google trusts your content. Start by creating top-notch content that others want to link to. Then, don't be shy. Reach out to related websites and share your content. Remember, quality over quantity. Another crucial tip is to optimize your website's speed. Did you know that a 1-second delay in page response can result in a 7% reduction in conversions? Yes, speed matters. Tools like Google Page Speed Insights can help you analyze and improve your site's loading time. Make sure your images are optimized, reduce server response time, and minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Let's not forget about mobile optimization. With more than half of all global web traffic coming from mobile devices, your site needs to perform well on smartphones and tablets. Ensure your website is responsive, meaning it automatically adjusts to fit the screen it's being viewed on. Google also loves mobile-friendly sites, so this will definitely give your SEO a boost. Lastly, keep your content fresh and updated. Google loves fresh content. Regularly updating your site with new, relevant information can help to increase your site's visibility and keep visitors coming back for more. Well, that's a wrap on our quick SEO crash course. Implement these strategies and watch your site climb up the search engine rankings. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and soon you'll see the fruits of your labor. Until next time, keep optimizing.